5 biggest advantages of reptiles as pets rather than mammals. 1. Lower maintenance requirements. Reptiles are generally considered low-maintenance pets, which means they don't need to be taken for walks, bathed, or groomed like dogs or cats. They only require regular feeding and cleaning of their habitats. This can make reptiles more suitable for people who have busy schedules or limited time to devote to pet care. 2. Long lifespans. Many species of reptiles can live for several decades, which means that they can be lifelong companions for their owners. This can be an advantage for people who want a pet that will be a part of their lives for many years. 3. Ease of housing. Reptiles do not require a large amount of living space, which makes them suitable for people who live in apartments or small homes. Their habitats are also relatively easy to maintain, as they only need to be cleaned and kept at the appropriate temperature and humidity levels. 4. Unique characteristics and behavior. Reptiles come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can have unique behaviors and characteristics that make them interesting to observe and interact with. For example, some reptiles have the ability to camouflage themselves or change color in response to their environment. 5. Low cost of ownership. Reptiles can be relatively inexpensive pets, especially compared to mammals, as they don't require as much food or veterinary care. This can be an advantage for people who want to own a pet, but don't want to spend a lot of money on pet-related expenses. In conclusion, owning a reptile as a pet can offer many advantages, including lower maintenance requirements, long lifespans, ease of housing, unique characteristics and behavior, and a low cost of ownership. However, it is important to keep in mind that reptiles have specific care requirements and may not be the best choice for everyone. Before acquiring a reptile as a pet, it is important to research the specific species you are interested in and make sure you are prepared to provide the proper care, housing, and nutrition for your new companion.